Well, today we're talking about bicycle cases. You know, I've been a lawyer for 50 plus years, and over the years I've handled many, many bicycle cases. And a bicycle case has three legs. One is, was the person that hit the bicyclist at fault? Two, what are the injuries of the bicyclist? And three, is there insurance to cover the driver who hit the bicyclist and or the bicyclist? So when I talk to a potential client regarding a bicycle case, these are the main questions that I hone in on. Bicycle accidents are interesting because they're not normally as clear as automobile accidents. So I like to ask detailed questions regarding how it happened. I would want to know what kind of bicycle you're riding, very important, what time of day it was, where it happened, i.e. in an intersection, or in a bike lane, or in the traffic lane. I want to know whether or not you had a helmet. And so I would ask those questions very, very carefully, because I'm interested whether or not the insurance company is going to claim that the bicyclist is at fault. Because that's a standard defense ploy. Always blame the injured person. And I need to tell people the truth. And sometimes, the way these accidents happen, somebody a bicyclist blows a stop sign and gets hit in an intersection. I really can't do much for that person, and I want to tell them. And then the second thing on the issue of liability I want to know is whether or not there's a police report. This becomes very important. If the police didn't come to the scene and didn't take a statement from the offending driver, or for that matter, the bicyclist, that is a big problem, because by the time the potential client gets to the lawyer, the driver is going to claim that the bicyclist was at fault. So without a police report and a police investigation, bicycle cases are very, very difficult to go ahead and prove, because there is a little prejudice against bicycle riders, because there's lots of bicycle riders who don't obey the traffic laws. And fortunately or unfortunately, if you're riding a bicycle, you have to stop for stop signs. You have to yield the right of way. So I'm looking for all this stuff.